Hey, it's Aneya here, and today we're going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. So for this, we have blindfolds. We have to close our eyes and not see anything while we're doing our slime. We have no clue what we're doing or touching. Put your hands over there.
Is this a monkey?
Yes.
Yay!
Okay, so let's get started. No.
No.
No cheating. He always cheats.
Okay, I won't cheat this.
You can't cheat.
Hey.
Okay, so you have your blindfold on?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll start pouring in my glue. Where is it? It's heavy.
Not really.
How do I know I'm done pouring in the glue? How do you know?
Just whenever you think you just stop.
Okay. Do you know what you're gonna put in your slime?
Am I supposed to know?
Do you know where they are?
No.
Here, okay. I don't either. Okay. I'm gonna empty it out there.
Do we start pouring this stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
I have food coloring, but I don't know what color to put in. Put this one in. It's tropical red. I mean, I don't know what color it is.
What?
Wait, what? I want to get tropical red, but I don't know what, yeah.
Hey, you saw you.
Okay, no more cheating, okay?
You were cheating, I wasn't.
I wasn't cheating, I was just checking on you.
Sure. No more cheating. If you cheat again, I win.
Okay. I won't cheat.
Are we supposed to put this little bag in?
What bags? What do they have in it?
Like those foam thingies?
Foam beads? If you want to.
I'm just gonna put it over there.
I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see anything. I don't even know how much, if I'm even putting food coloring in mine.
Pour something more.
Did you put glue on the edge of your thing?
No.
I wonder what color I chose.
I got one of the glitter beads.
Glittering?
Yeah. I want to know what it is. Hopefully it's ugly. Why? I told you not to cheat.
I wasn't doing anything.
It's on this side, so that means it was you.
It wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
I wasn't able to see.
I'm gonna
could
get
check
you
the
next
camera.
time. Yeah, because I was actually like trying not to cheat this time. And you just cheated.
You got my girl. What is that?
She doesn't even know what it is.
Mustache.
Yeah, it's a mustache. It's definitely a mustache.
I don't know what it's called. Okay, I don't know what else to put in. Are you gonna put your butterfly down? You do it too. Okay, put it all the way down.
It is all the way down. I'm not cheating like you.
Okay.
So do we have to add everything?
If you want to, you can choose what you want.
Wait, why choose?
Or like just one of everything. I don't know. You decide.
Oh, I heard something drop.
What happened?
How many need to use this?
Where did it go? I want more of that thing. Are you looking?
No.
No? Oh. I don't know what else to put in.
Ew, it smells like mustard.
Oh, that's what it's called.
Mustache.
Yeah.
You messed up. I saw you.
Did you have your blindfold on?
I heard it. Like I heard. And then right away.
Okay, no more cheating, no more cheating. I won't do it anymore. Okay, put your blindfold down. Put it down. Okay.
Okay, so. This one doesn't seem full. This one also doesn't seem full. That.
What? I can't find. Oh, here it is. I can't find it. I'm gonna finish pouring my final ingredients in, and then I'll just get it.
I'm gonna pour some more flour. What are these things called?
Foam or foam? Foam
Flow?
beads.
Yeah, I'm gonna pour some more.
What are you doing?
There's still another bag.
What happened? I'm looking up. He put it on my seat.
Oh wait, that's pink. Ooh.
Okay.
I'm gonna put these two on it. These two, and
I'm being artistic.
what?
I'm being artistic. My spoon fell in, I think. Oh wait. It's in there? No. Oh well. Oh. It looks really pretty. I mean, oh yeah, it looks really pretty. My eyes are wide.
Huh? What were you saying?
Nothing. You hide. This challenge is a fail.
You cheated.
You cheated too. Now I'm gonna play my activator.
You sabotaged my slime.
No, I didn't. It was a ghost. It's playing tricks on you, see? Like it played tricks on me too.
There. You're gonna mess my slime up even more.
So pretty!
Wow, it's so pretty.
Okay, let's just...
It's so
It's
pretty.
so pretty! I'm so happy I cheated.
Yeah, but next time you won't.
Yours looks like alien goo. No, it should be green. Never mind. It's yellow alien glue. Glue. Stew. It's alien stew. They eat that. We are done mixing our slimes, and this is how mine turned out.
And this is how mine turned out, and it didn't activate because she added mustache.
Mustard!
Yeah.
I forgot.
She poured in mustard, so I didn't want to activate. And
Yeah.
this is how it came out.
And also, if you're new to this channel, comment, like, and subscribe.
It smells like mustard.
Yeah, wow. And no, you can't smell the macaroni. Never mind.
No, but you can see it.
Kind of. I can't really see it.
Try here.
Oh, didn't see it there. Bye.
Bye.
I like it.